Cooking is no rocket science. And I've been teaching how to cook for many years. And it's so much fun. But then this also puts lots of pressure on me. I cannot be everywhere. I have to make sure that I should be able to train more and more people. Now what I've done is I have an assistant who's going to assist me. And I'm going to put my assistant to test. And what I'm trying here is that I want an accomplished couple to compete with each other on instructions of my assistant.
The competitors are Bharati Jaisingh, artist, model and contemporary dancer, founder of IDHA and Insight to Oneness. Kunal Jaisingh, Indian television actor, shows like Ishqbaz, Silsila, The Buddy Project, Pavitra Bhagya and so on.
So here we have Bharati and Kunal. Same recipe, same ingredients.
Okay.
Same instructions of my assistant. Okay. And I will see who cooks better. So I'm going to be impartial. Actually, better sentence would be not I'm going to be impartial, but I am going.
What?
Sir! Who's going to help us now?
I don't know, I'm already nervous.
वो assistant कहाँ है?
Secret assistant.
I am here to help you.
भगवान आप?
अरे वो यहाँ.
Alexa!
Yes. Alexa, please open Sanjeev Kapoor Smart Recipes.
Here's Sanjeev Kapoor Recipes. What would you like to prepare today?
Chutney vegetable pulao.
Chutney vegetable pulao provided by Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. Let's get started with the first step. In a blender, put the coriander, scraped coconut, green chilies, garlic cloves, lemon juice and salt. Sufficient water and blend to a fine paste to make the chutney. Chef's tip. Adding lemon juice to the chutney not only enhances the flavor but also helps in retaining the green color of the chutney.
Oh wow, that's such a cool tip. I'm definitely going to keep in mind.
How do you use this? So switch कहाँ है?
Figure it out on your own. It's competition.
Whoa, okay, I got it, come on. Alexa, next step please.
In a non-stick pan, heat ghee.
What's next?
Add bay leaves, black peppercorns, cloves, and onions. Mix and saute till they turn golden brown.
Wow, the ghee is smelling so good. Okay, the onions are already golden brown. Alexa, what's the next step?
Add the carrots, French beans, cauliflower and green peas. Mix it well.
Alright.
Wait for the nice aroma.
Okay. Alexa, what's the next step?
Time to stir in the drained rice. Add rice and saute well.
Alexa, next step.
Now, stir in the chutney, salt and 3 cups of water.
Okay.
Just look at this. I love the color.
Alexa, next step please.
You're almost there. Just cover it and cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Shall I remind you when pulao has cooked for 15 minutes?
Yes, of course.
Of course.
Okay, I will remind you after 15 minutes.
But that is so great. She's setting it up for us. We don't need to worry only.
Exactly. I mean, yours looks okay. Mine looks the best.
We'll see.
We'll see. अच्छा, tell me one thing. ये जब तक पक रहा है हम क्या करें? Wait करें.
Alexa, no. Alexa, while we wait, what should we serve the pulao with?
Pair this pulao with a beetroot walnut raita.
Oh, almost time. Bharati, I think you should start plating.
Yes, sir.
Only 2 minutes are left.
Yes, I'm almost there. Almost there.
Tension, tension, tension. Wow. Nice. Last 10 seconds are left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. क्या बात है? Wow. Spice level is very good. The bite of rice is very good. Overall use of spices. Rice is not an easy thing to cook. To get it right, to get it perfect is not easy. So, well done.
Thank you.
Nice, creamy, crunchy. Wow.
Yay.
Looks stunning. Very, very good.
Thank you so much. So I can cook.
Okay. Wow. And raita. Yeah. I think, Kunal, your raita is very good with the touch that you have added. It's very nice. And Bharti, you let your pulao breathe. You did not compress it with a bowl. So I would say that raita,
Okay.
Kunal, and pulao, Bharti. Both of you are winners. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
We should thank Alexa.
Yes, thank you, Alexa.
Always here to help you.
I'm very happy that both of us won because ultimately we both wanted to enjoy this cooking session with him, and I think we got to do that.
I think the concept is really something new. It just showcases that even just a voice can help you cook everything so beautifully, and it turned out actually well.